Hi guys, I'm Hitesh and I am here for the product which is Googly Pay. And now, what is this product? Actually, what this product will solve your problem, guys. Actually, this is the loophole finder. Not someone, this is a Branson Taste product, and he found a loophole in trillion-dollar company which is Google. Okay, in Google he found trillion. Actually, Google is trillion-dollar company. Okay, so he found some loophole, not some loophole, maybe one loophole, it may be some more loophole, which will pay you guaranteed. Okay, and I'm not guarantee, but which have the power to pay you. Okay, so that you will get paid just because of using this product. So guys, each and everything you can just go below through the link, or you can go on this page through the link below. You can take each and every knowledge. I put some all details, you can see. Okay, some beta testers already got the results. Right now, just listen carefully. I'm not going to show you member access area, because just because of member access area, if you want to see member access area, you can go for the another videos. Many videos are available on the YouTube. You can go for that. But right now, I'm just showing you live demo of one loophole. Okay, I'm just taking benefit of one loophole directly live in front of you from billion-dollar company. This is trillion-dollar company, you can say, which is Google. Okay, this is trillion-dollar company. I am taking the benefit of billion-dollar company, which is Amazon. Okay, so I'm just going to show you live demo. Just keep watching, and later, after watching this, you will be able to understand and you will be able to relate this product. Okay, how you will know the answer of how you will get the benefit from loophole in any big company, billion-dollars, trillion-dollars company. Okay, so guys, I'm just taking live benefit. I'm just showing you live demo of one loophole in Amazon. Okay, which is billion-dollar company, guys. Okay, so you can go for member access area, because you have to just, let me show you one thing. What you have to do, you have to just go inside. Okay, you have to just activate. Actually, you have to follow all the steps which you will get inside this, and later you have to just turn on this paid search technology. Paid search technology means get paid. If you search something on Google, you will get paid. Okay, this is technology you have to activate, and later you have to just see the, actually you have to just see the complete results. Okay, by activating this method now. So I'm just not going much deeper with that. I'm just going to show you live demo of one loophole in billion-dollar company. So guys, just go ahead. You can go for member access area. You can go for another videos to see member access area. I'm not showing you right now. So guys, this is my Kindle Direct Publishing. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this. Actually, I already logged in front of you. So let me show you again. So I'm just starting in front of you. I'm just going to log in. Okay, I'm already logged in, guys. So this is my dashboard, which is Amazon. Okay, guys, I'm repeating. I'm just showing you live demo of one loophole of Amazon billion-dollar company, and what benefits I got just because of this loophole. I will show you. So later you will be able to relate this product, which is Google Pay. You will be able to relate this product just because of loophole and all. Okay, so you will be able to find and understand this product is going to fit for you or not. Okay, so guys, this is Kindle Direct Publishing, where we can put our Kindles, means ebook. Okay, so when people will watch and read this ebook, okay, so that you will get paid. First option. Second option, if someone will buy this ebook, so again you will get paid. And third option, that is loophole, I'm going to show you. So first of all, I'm just going to show you my reports, what type of the benefits I got just because of this loophole. Okay, so I'm just showing you this type of the things, maybe not 100%, but something like this type of the benefit from loophole you will get inside this Google Pay. Okay, this is completely different method, and I am just showing you the different method, but you have to just relate. Okay, because every platform have different methods and something like that. Okay, but right now I'm just showing you how to take benefit from loophole. So guys, this is my benefit, you can see, and I'm telling you I'm not active on this. Okay, from last 1 or 2 months I'm not active on this, but still you can see my analytics, guys. This is what. Okay, this is, you can see, this is blue color. You can see blue color for a free unit ordered ebook, means people are taking my book. Okay, not for free. I'm showing you how this is happened. Okay, how this is going to happen. This is, you can see yellow color, which is paid unit orders ebook. So you can see some ebooks in yellow colors also. Here you can see, here you can see. Okay, this is completely date. Okay, of each day you will get analysis of each and every date. Okay, so here I'm just showing you the data which is from 16 September to 16 October. Okay, if I go to the previous month, I can show you complete this analysis. Okay, so right now I'm not trying to do that. I'm just showing you the main concept and funda. Okay, so this is ordered. I'm just getting why I'm getting. Okay, so now I'm just introducing you loophole. Okay, you will see, you will say me what is the loophole inside this. Okay, I'm just showing you. For example, if you are uploading any ebook, okay, so first loophole is what? First loophole is this is already billion-dollar company, already traffic of the people you are going to get for free. Why for free? Because you are going to get 5 days free promotion on Amazon. You don't have to do anything. Amazon will do the 5 days free promotion of your Kindle, of your ebook for you. No, that 5 days you will get traffic. Okay, you will get some readers for your book. You will get some buyers also, because you can see here I some buyers bought my book. Okay, so I will show you. Don't worry. But right now I'm just explaining you the loophole. This is first loophole. Second loophole is what? Second loophole is Amazon allows you. I'm repeating. Amazon allows you to put your affiliate link, your CPA offer link, your whatever link inside the ebooks. Okay, inside the ebooks. So you can put your affiliate link, you can put your CPA offers. If you put CPA offers, you are going to get free traffic. Okay, 5 days free traffic for each book. Okay, each and every book. You can see I have much books here. Okay, let it load so that you will see some photos here. See, now it's uploaded. Now for each book you will get 5 days free promotion. You can see here. Okay, so you will get some sales for this also. You will get some links, because Amazon allows you to put some links inside your content, which content you already put in your ebooks. Okay, in your Kindles. So just because of that links, you will get some sales, you will get some clicks if you are promoting any CPA offers. So you will earn from clicks, okay, of CPA offers. You will get some affiliate sales too. You will get some traffic if you are redirecting traffic on to the another blog website or any another website. So you will get that also. Plus you will get some sales of this particular ebook also. So that type of many things you will start getting profit from. Okay, so I already told you two loopholes. Okay, Amazon will promote your book for 5 days for free. Second, I have Amazon allowing you to put links inside this content of the ebook. And third, you already might, you maybe, I hope you know this, because people have to pay for this subscription, Kindle Direct Publishing monthly. Okay, so if you will get any type of the reading also, okay, paid subscribers, if they are reading your book, again you will get paid from there. So right now I'm just showing you, just let it upload. So this is my other analytics which I already told you. Now guys, you can see here I'm even not working on this, guys. Okay, even this thing is working. So can you see this 13 KENP reads? You can see here, sorry, you can see here 13 KENP means Kindle edition normalized page. Okay, for each this type of the reads, Amazon will pay you again. Why? Because buyer traffic is coming here. Okay, and just because of buyer traffic is coming here, what you will do, you are already putting your affiliate link, CPA link inside your content of your ebook Kindle. So if, because traffic are already buyer traffic, okay, buyer traffic, that means they will purchase your product, your affiliate product also. And that's how, just because of this type of loopholes, you will earn. Okay, so how to do that, I will tell you in short, so that you will relate this type of things. Why I'm not showing you member access area? Because you can go ahead for another videos and you can see the member access area. That is not the big deal. Okay, so I'm just showing you this thing. So let me try this time. I already shown you last month to date. So I'm just going for this from August to 31. I'm just applying, and now see guys, let it load from here. It is taking time a little bit. And guys, you can see every day I got some free orders. Okay, see here, not every day, but sometimes I'm getting KENP. Okay, so for this you will again going to get paid. Okay, so this is my little bit amount, still I'm not working. Okay, so I'm just going to change this one for the latest one, last 2 weeks for example. Okay guys, so this is for last 2 weeks. So if you think I'm just showing you fake things, so just let me show you this one. I'm just removing this free things, free stuffs I'm removing. Now this is, you can say this is paid ordered units. This is paid ordered units. So I'm just again ticking this one. Okay, and this is for last 2 weeks. So I'm just going to month to date again from 1st October. Instead of 1st October, I'm just going to 16 September again. Sorry, I think this is, I made it wrong. And this is complete. Okay, month to date, I have to click month to date. So 16 September to, I think it's not happening properly, guys, because okay, last 30 days is okay. Okay, now you can see completely again. Okay, so I'm just showing you again. Okay, if you don't have time, guys, you can just leave this video. But right now, my target is to show you the power of loopholes. Okay, just because of that, you are here. So I just shown you these things. Now, if you think, oh, I'm getting sales or not, so let me show you some. Okay, let me show you some things. So guys, you can see some paid. Okay, some amounts I paid. Okay, this, without doing anything, guys. Okay, without doing anything. So let me show you some more things. Okay, month to date, you can see. So guys, you can see to CPM marketing for beginners. This is my Kindle book. Okay, I got 2 sales. Okay, 2 sales. This is KENP because for this also you will get paid. This is completely sales. And let me show you, this is for current month. So let me show you some previous month also. Now guys, you can see here again I'm getting some sales here, guys. So this is paid orders, guys. Okay, this is paid orders. Again I can show you. Okay, so just guys leave it. Okay, this is the main point I already shown you. If you want, I can just show you to upload some books. Okay, so this is not my target, guys. Okay, I already show you what type of the things you are going to get just because of loophole. That things, now I hope you are now able to relate this thing. Okay, this is $1 billion company, which is Amazon. Okay, now this is $1 trillion company, guys. This is Google. Okay, so I told you what benefits I'm getting just because of some loopholes in this program. Okay, I just put some ebooks. Okay, some ebooks I already told you 3 to 4 benefits which I'm getting from the loopholes. Okay, company loopholes, you can see, and some books which, and some Kindles, you can say, I just uploaded here. Okay, I can show you how to upload. Just click on this, just upload, put some text. Actually guys, it's too much easy. You can go on YouTube and you can learn how to put your Kindle book on Amazon. Actually Kindle direct publishing. Okay, so if you forget, you can just go to the previous. Okay, I'm just repeating again. First benefit from the loophole of this company, this is $1 billion company Amazon. First loophole is you will earn from selling of your particular ebook. Okay, because why? Because this is first benefit, because Amazon itself doing promotion for you, 5 days free, 5 days free promotion for you. So that just because of that you will get second benefit is you will get buyer traffic, and just because of buyer traffic you will get some sales for your books or Kindles also, and you will get some affiliate sales also. Why affiliate sales? This is third benefit, because Amazon allows you to put your links inside your content of your ebook. Okay, I'm not able to open this right now, but I put my some links. You can put any links, CPA offer, affiliate link. Okay, I hope you got my point, what I'm talking about. So you will get benefit out of that also. You will get some affiliate also, and you will affiliate income also. You will get some sales from here. So you will earn from here too, and you will earn from your affiliate network too. Two types of source of income. Next one is KENP. Okay, KENP, you can go and search for that. If some paid subscribers of this platform, if they read any type of your book, okay, so you will get paid again for that. So 4 type of benefits which I'm getting from this platform just because of this is loophole, because Amazon is allowing me to put my links inside. Okay, so this type of the loopholes you are going to get in the Google just because of this product. Okay, so you now you are able to just relate. Okay, I shown you different platform. This is different platform. You have to just relate and understand. Okay, and if you want to take benefit out of this, because you can see here, see 365 money back, 365 days money back guarantee. You can go to this product through the link below. Just you can click any of the button on yellow button, and you can go through the link below. You can go ahead. You can try this for 365 days, and later you can decide you should go ahead with that or not, because in 365 days you already will get your money. Okay, so okay guys, we will meet some next masterpiece another time. Till then, bye.